Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you are an owner or have equivalent permissions on the Firebase project and sign into the Firebase console. Once signed in, locate the target project and verify the linked Google Cloud Project ID so you delete the correct environment. Make sure to pause and export critical data, Firestore, storage buckets, authentication users, because deletion is irreversible. Once done, navigate to Project Settings to start the deletion flow without delay. You now initiate the deletion flow. In Project Settings under the General tab, click Delete Project. Carefully read the warnings so you understand what's removed and why it's permanent. When prompted, type the exact project ID, case sensitive, to confirm that you intend to delete this specific project. Make sure you removed billing and shut down any active services to prevent lingering charges. Once confirmed, Firebase queues the deletion and begins removing resources across services. You finish by monitoring the deletion status visible in the console. Some resources, especially large storage buckets or cloud functions, can take hours to purge. If the deletion stalls, check IAM roles, ensure you still have owner access, and confirm the billing account was closed or detached, because active billing can block finalization. Also review API usage and quotas. If something goes wrong and you exported backups earlier, use those exports to recreate essential data in a new project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.